This is very deep.
No, no.
This is intense.
Good morning, everybody. So yeah, we had a very good warm night's rest. Kissy is
It's cold.
Kissy's getting ready there with the thick jackets. The bikes are packed, but yeah, as you can see, there's some cold weather in the air, and yeah, we are
Very
here.
hard winds as well. Very hard winds.
Yeah, the wind is getting up, but we are here just outside of Willowmore, a kilometer outside of Willowmore, and today we are going to tackle Baviaanskloof, and we are very excited about that. Even in this cold, windy weather, we are looking forward to it. We did phone and see if the river is crossable for us, and they say that they haven't had rain, but yeah, we just hope that we don't get locked up in Baviaans and stuck, because this weather looks quite intimidating. But yeah, so let's go.
Look at all the clouds there on the mountain. Yeah, so there's it is not supposed to be raining, but now and then when I see the weather, I am wondering.
Yeah, me too.
Look, our plan was to actually leave pretty early, so we actually want to leave like at least at 8, but it's now almost 9. Then I got stuck talking to people once again. But yeah, we still need to buy some food because we don't know really if we're gonna sleep in Baviaans or not. It's okay, little one.
Now he wants to eat, buddy.
I have to sniffle.
No, me too.
Right, let's get the sound. Get some food. See if it's necessary. Oh, we'll just get a little bit. I don't think we need to get a lot.
No.
But look at those clouds. To me, that look like rain clouds.
Yeah, to me too. Well, they said it's going to be cloudy today,
Yeah.
but not rain.
Oh,
They said it's going to only rain tomorrow.
Yeah, so that's also why we actually want to go through Baviaanskloof completely today and end up in Potentie today. But yeah, I don't know if we will make that. It's open. Yeah. I will quickly run in
Okay.
and get some stuff. She should almost be full. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. Thank you. Now we just hope it's not gonna rain. Ah, this is gonna be awesome. Yeah, I think it's through the signboard.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Baviaanskloof.
I'm so excited.
Hey, at least there's blue sky over there on that side.
Yeah.
Well, it feels like winter.
Yeah.
Humans don't, well, we're not going to go to human still. But it's almost there. And from here, where we are now, to Potentie is almost 200 kilometers. So, and that is basically all gravel roads, and they are not all in a very good state. So it's going to be a challenging one. So we will see if we make it. If not, we can always sleep. We have emergency food that we now just bought, so we can camp. It is just gonna be freezing cold tonight.
But yeah, so Baviaans, it's basically 3 sections, if you want to call it like that. You have the path in the middle. It's, I think, I mean, I'm not talking under correction about the distance, but I think what is 45 kilometers or something like that. And then on either side, it's still the Baviaans, but it is a concession. So it's privately owned land, but they fall under the concession rules for the Baviaans, so it's a protected area.
It looks so cool, especially with the clouds now. That's a very old car. It's a cruiser.
Yeah, the old cruiser.
That's cool.
And it's still going. Very cool. Willowmore Pass. Okay, so here we start our first mountain pass.
Let's just slow down before I go off this mountain pass.
There goes Kissy! Woo!
I don't know where you are, but here I go.
Welcome in the Baviaanskloof! Yeah, yeah! Wow! This is cool. Insane! Yeah. Look at these cliffs.
I know.
They're so high.
Baviaanskloof Sleutel.
So this is just the narrowest part, and that was actually natural. That was like a little piece there. It's a natural piece that they could get the road through. And that's why they call it the sleutel, because it opens up the Baviaanskloof.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but that is what it's. I'm not sure why if that's why they call it sleutel, but that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Does it make sense? It unlocks this beauty.
Oh, okay.
It's too
Yeah,
deep.
okay.
But look at this. Look at it.
Yeah, it's cool.
Cool. Man, an ice cream is cool. This is epic.
This is awesome.
You want to stop here at the pit stall quickly?
What do you want to do?
Yeah, I don't know. We don't have
You can
to.
have a quick look. You can have a quick look.
Yeah.
We have a little friend. That one wants to get there as well. You look very comfortable over there. Yeah.
Come. Okay, to safety. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Right there. It's so cool.
Yeah, how those rocks, it looks like flow. It looks like
Yeah.
a water wave or something.
So cool.
Baboon, baboon, baboon. Hello.
We must be getting very close to the gate.
I know, but you know what, 80 kilometers, so let's be gone to the dirt road.
Yeah. Yeah, so the reserve is next to us now. On our left.
Oh, how do you know?
Shows on the GPS.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
So it's still here that you can drive with any car. Now they say from here you need a 4x4.
So now the difficult part is supposed to start.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, here's the gate.
Finally.
Baviaanskloof gate. Hello. How are you? Good, thank you.
Hello. Ja. Ja.
Daai water, hou maar net so 'n bietjie meer links, want in die middel is so
Dis 'n gat.
sementgatjie, ja.
Okay, so net aan die linkerkant. Asai, dankie. We are finally, we made it to the gates. And now we are officially in Baviaanskloof Nature Reserve.
Yeah, this is a 4x4 track, so basically for 4x4 vehicles. So I don't know how fast we're going to do this, but we have 3.5 hours to get through because the gate on the other side closes at 4 o'clock and it's now 12:30. So and it is 67 kilometers or something like that. So let's see if we make it or not.
Yeah.
It did warn us for buffalo. There's buffaloes in there, but it should be fine.
Oh.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see.
Oh well, let's just do it.
Okay, shall I go first?
Yo. Do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go first. Okay. There's some rocks here. So yeah, so there where I go. That's fine. So I'm gonna get wet shoes just to show you. Okay. So just follow where I go. Went. The hole is there at the beginning. Well done.
Ah!
Well done. You also have wet boots, yay. Yeah, let's go. Woo! Don't think that was the deep one, but
No, I don't think so either.
that's for these big rocks. We come.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. That's pretty. There's a water crossing.
You want me to go first again?
Yeah, this one looks a bit deeper.
Let's just do it. Feet up, feet up, feet up. Okay, so there's the hole. Once you go through, it's a little bit of a rocky thing there, but
Do you think Mousy is high enough?
yeah.
Okay. Thing is like.
Okay, next time go slower.
That's steep.
It is not necessary to go through there, and the wave was literally here. You want to go slow so that the wave is there.
I saw. I just wanted to keep momentum going.
It's the meat. It's not.
I'm wet.
Okay. So anyway,
Is there some steam coming off?
of course, your engine is warm, and what do? Like ah!
But I didn't go through that very quickly.
No, you did.
It wasn't that fast.
But you don't have to go that fast. 10 out of 10 for style. 0 out of 10 for practicality. We have done 2 deep river crossings. Kissy has created a tidal wave. And we are carrying on through the Baviaans. It is lovely.
That felt very unstable. More water. Who said that it didn't rain here and the rivers are dry? I don't know about you, but I think that this is not dry.
Okay, this is a lot of water. Alright, it's a long stretch. Okay.
Oh, that is actually quite deep.
Yes, it's deep. Whoa.
Okay, that is properly deep. Oh, you poor thing.
Yes. Okay, let me see how deep it is on this side. Okay, come, we're gonna go this side. Go, 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 go. Well done. Don't switch your bike off.
Okay. You made me so nervous with that talk.
Oh yeah, that was very deep on my side. No, all that I don't want you to do is just don't drop the bike. Okay. Anyway.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You're not. You're lying.
Okay, that's funny, but I'm sorry that you're wet.
Yeah, yeah. I knew it.
That doesn't sound fun.
I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Okay, just keep that speed. Keep that speed. You're gonna dip down now. It's fine. There you go. Watch. Watch out for big rocks here.
That's a nice view.
That is awesome. Oh, this is quite intense actually. Look,
That's cool.
it's so cool, but if you make a mistake, you're gonna have a far drop.
Yeah.
This is pretty steep, but I'm sure on the GoPro it looks like, it's all fine.
So the GoPro is lying, this is steep.
Wow! This is so cool! I like it. Oh, that's a big drop. This is long and deep.
Yes, this is the big one. I'm gonna walk it. Okay, up front it carries on. Looks like it gets deeper here. I'm just gonna have a look. Okay, just come until here so long. It doesn't matter on what side you go.
Oh, wanna.
Yeah, you are fine.
No,
Go
I
left.
wasn't. I wasn't.
You are.
You can just take it through.
Okay.
I think that's better because I can't. Sorry. It was like I went and then I was like, no.
I saw it. This is going to be funny with Daddy. We still have a long way to go.
I know. I saw that.
Oh wow. But this is very deep. Come on now, Sue. Come on now, Sue. You can do it, little one. You can do it. Yay.
Well done.
Let's get through this. Oh, it's not easy.
Yay!
Glad we got through there.
No, me too.
Yeah.
There I go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, my boots are so wet.
Ah, welcome to the club.
Don't. Let's see.
I'm doing well.
Let's see.
Jump for Lassie. They must have had a lot of rain because this is washed away.
Ja, jag ser. Oj. There we go.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's stay on that top here.
Interesting. Yeah.
Ooh. Let's see. This road is terrible at the moment. I don't know, it's always like this, but... Oh.
Do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go. Let me see what is in store for me. Yeah. This is alright. It's okay.
I think your side is better than mine.
No, just... And then, yeah. Okay. Follow my line.
Follow your line.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just stay on top here. Yeah, it's alright. It's a couple of big rocks you need to dodge, but it's not too bad. Okay, follow my line, stay on my side. And yeah, you'll see there's a nice little easy way down. Okay.
Easy peasy. Right, so we have some 2 tracks cement something.
After cement slabs, but they made it
For
into
cars.
2 tracks. Yeah, just get on the first one, you're on the left, and then you can go to the right side.
And it wants me to ride on the side that is not a drop off.
Yeah. Okay.
Whee!
Yeah, this is gonna jump it. Okay. Up we go.
I don't put these things in there. Hey, people, why?
Oh, no, I'm somewhere in the middle. Okay.
Just stay on the mountain side because the other one is breaking up. Oh, this one also breaks up. No. Okay, now I am in the middle.
Yeah, okay. Well, just carry on. I'm also in the middle.
Look at that. Yeah, it's like massive to actually get up there. Like that. And then you fall off. Okay.
Nope. Don't fall in there. So there we go. Okay, up we go. Yes, over the biggest rocks in the world.
I'm sure it was nice in the beginning, but then all the sand and everything flushed away on the sides and it broke up and it didn't got maintained and now it looks like this.
Okay, well that is like a ridiculous piece, and now I'm going up vertical rocks. Yes. The hell.
Let me maybe go to that side so I don't fall off the mountain if I fall. More stones. That was a big hole. And now it becomes very small. And now, sorry tires. That was a sharp one. Here the road also deteriorated, but at least the slabs are gone. I think we got over the slabs, now I need to get over these rocks. Alright, I don't know what's here on the side. Oh wow!
It's actually nice here if you're able to stop. I think we are past the slabs.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, that was stupid and it was dangerous.
Yeah, that was.
But well done.
But well done, yeah, to you too.
I almost fell about 3-4 times.
I went
like literally almost fell.
But well done, you didn't. I went over vertical rocks. I was like, I've got a 890 Adventure R. You will
Well
go
done.
over that.
Well done.
This is like, whatever.
Okay, I can relax a little bit.
Yeah,
But yeah, look how beautiful this is.
yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, baby, we made it.
Oh, we're not out of Baviaans yet, but
Yeah, but that was the worst. But well done.
thank you.
With a little 390. Awesome little bike.
We're gonna go down here now.
Yeah. I think this is the last mountain pass in the reserve.
It's very well done.
So just stay on the right and then you can drop down and go over. This is intense. This is, I feel like a mountain goat, man. To the side of a cliff. We made it. We are at the gate. Hello.
Kom jy papier weer nodig hê?
Nee, ek het dit nie nodig nie.
Dan kan ons maar maar.
Dis reg, dankie. Lekker aand.
Okay.
So we were correct with this at 4 o'clock. They don't allow people to go in anymore. But if you're inside, it's still 6 or till the sun sets.
Okay, well, it is exactly 4.
Yeah.
So we made it in, what, 3.5 hours?
Yeah. Alright, yeah, so it is getting pretty dark. We've made it out of Baviaanskloof. What a day, that was awesome. Baviaanskloof is definitely something everybody has to do. But yeah, we're just going to end the video here. We're 13 kilometers away from Potentie. We don't have accommodation yet, but we'll figure it out once we get there. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a very, very good time. And excuse me. And if you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!